The Lexus Genuine START Plus system enables you to start your Lexus vehicle from as far as 800 meters away and activates preset heating and ventilating functions, providing comfort and convenience on very hot or cold days. To start your Lexus using the START Plus dedicated fob, simply push the silver engine button, followed by the start button. The fob provides two-way communication in the form of audio and visual cues, so you always know when the engine has started when you can't see or hear your Lexus. If you are in visual range of the vehicle, you will also see the hazard lights flash for approximately 10 seconds, confirming the successful action. If the engine fails to start, the LED will show red and a negative buzzer will sound. Once started using the START Plus remote, the engine can be shut off remotely by pushing the silver engine button, followed by the stop button on the remote. For safety purposes, the engine cannot be shut off using the START Plus remote if it was started using another method. If the engine is no longer running, the green light will appear and a positive sound will play after about 6 seconds. The engine then remotely starts again. To check if the engine has already been started, simply press the engine button, followed by the start button on the remote. If the engine has already started, a green light will appear almost instantly and a positive sound will play. To avoid excessive idling, when the engine is started remotely, the engine will automatically shut down after idling for 10 minutes. It can be restarted remotely one more time and run for an additional 10 minutes, after which it will shut down and must be restarted manually to reset the remote engine starter function. For safety and security reasons, the vehicle cannot be moved when operating in remote start mode, and it cannot be remotely stopped when operating in normal mode. Unlike aftermarket systems, which often require cutting or splicing of existing wiring and/or bypassing its important immobilizer system, START Plus is designed and engineered to be compatible with all the specific systems in your Lexus, without any compromise to function or security. Once installed on your Lexus, the START Plus system also activates a remote start function within the vehicle's factory key fob, which can be used at distances up to 24 meters away. To start the vehicle remotely from the factory key fob, press and release the lock button twice. The hazard lights will flash twice, followed by a third press, and hold for 3 seconds. The START Plus fob is slightly larger than some aftermarket systems for quality and reliability purposes. For example, it uses a separate battery compartment, so there's no risk of damaging internal circuitry when changing the battery. It uses high-capacity batteries with a 1-year battery life and other high-quality automotive-grade components that require more space, such as a thicker casing that is pressure and shock resistant, meaning its function won't be affected if dropped. It has an additional internal rubber membrane, protecting the electronics from dust and moisture. For these reasons, START Plus functions cannot be incorporated within the factory key fob, necessitating a separate control. Due to the complexity of this system, its installation must be performed only by an authorized Lexus dealer on specific Lexus models. The features and functions described in this video might not be applicable to all Lexus models. See the START Plus user manual for details. Thanks for watching this Know Your Lexus video.